Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video with me. Today we're going to be installing Megan Racing Strut bar on my Lexus IS350. I've done a couple of things since my last video. Like I restored my headlights right there. Before they were really cloudy and pretty gross. I also installed these little wind visors right here, you can see. I also painted my brake calipers red and put on this little gold sticker. Try to match the wheels. Came out pretty nice, better than I expected. I also installed this rear diffuser that I really like. I feel like it really makes the car stand out a lot more. There you go. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so here's the strut bar that I will be installing today. This one is for the front. I also have the rear one, but that'll be for another video. It's pretty nice, to be honest. I really like it. It wasn't too expensive. It was like I think a little over 100 bucks. I don't know. I'll leave a description down below where to get it. Came with these instructions right here. Came with this warranty policy. It came with this nice little letter from the CEO thanking you for choosing their product. Thought it was pretty nice. Came with these little nice stickers too. See where we'll put them in the car later on. But yeah, here you go. Alright guys, so the tools that you will be needing today are a 8mm hex bit socket, a 10mm, a 14mm, and a ratchet or whatever size sockets you will be using. In my case, I'll be using 3/8, but I will be using my electric ratchet since I have it. Might as well take advantage of it, you know. And you will also be needing a clip puller. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is pop your hood, and I guess we're joined by my dog Kina. Kina, say hi to YouTube. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so you're gonna want to pop your head and open it. And first thing you want to do is just get rid of the plastic panels all around there. Should be just these clips all around. Pretty easy. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is go to the passenger side, and you see this little bracket, the sensor. You're going to want to loosen that 10mm right there. Alright guys, so the next thing you want to do is loosen the bolts on the strut tower. These three right here on each side, passenger and driver, over here as well. It's a 14mm by the way. Alright guys, once you're done with that, you're ready to install the bar. One thing that I did notice that these were on reverse, so you might need to switch them up. But after that, it should be fine. And alright, let's get to it.
Stranded in the open.
Alright guys, one thing that I did find it easier was just to remove the bar from the brackets, just so we can make it easier to tighten them. Also, you could torque these down to 55, either 54 or 55 foot-pounds. I just tightened them until snug, so I don't have a torque wrench on me. But alright, now we're gonna install the bar back onto the brackets. Also, remove this little film, protective film, before you put it on. Alright guys, when you get the bar back in there, that's what it's pretty much gonna look. One thing I did not mention is you're either gonna need 2 ratchets or just a 14mm wrench, so you could tighten this down. So we're pretty much gonna get either the ratchet with the 14 or the 14 wrench, and put it over here and tighten the 8mm hex right there. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done. That's all it took right there. Pretty nice. One thing, if you are wanting to reuse your plastic covers, you might need to trim around these places over here. Just around right here. And same on this side. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today. Please stay tuned for more videos. I still got that rear strut bar as well to put on. Also have more things coming for here, and also we'll also have more things coming for my truck over there. Probably do a walk around, what I've done, and a lot more videos to come. But that's pretty much it for today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Thanks.